Jennifer from Scrapping Under the Influence. I know it's been a little while. I have had a ton of work stuff going on, and then I was out of town, and I am just totally far behind on everything. However, I am here with my first project using the little Lumberjack paper collection from Echo Park that I got as my design team package from Country Craft Creations. For my first project, I have done a jumbo folio. I'm calling it the Lumberjack Folio. Ha, yeah, I know, not funny, not original, but anyway. This is absolutely stuffed. It's very big. This is 10 by 10. Not super difficult to put together. It will take an entire collection pack of the little Lumberjack paper or any other paper collection you choose, plus probably 3 extra sheets. Plus I also did a lot of solid matting using red and gray artisan cardstock. I used black for the base, and it took almost an entire package of the black artisan as well. So, and an entire package of magnets, the large magnets. So we're going to open this up. And because it is a folio, we've got basically 2 sections with flaps and pockets on each side. So on this first side, we've got a frame, acetate frame that flips open to reveal another photo mat, journaling spot, whatever on the back. On this side, we've got stacked pockets. I've done, just because of the size of this, I did do 4 8x8 layouts that just kind of tuck in to various places within the folio. Just some leftover scraps and things there just to make some little journaling cards. When we turn this way, and this keeps sliding out of here because it's not super tight, I've got a double belly band. Under the large part, I do have another 8x8 layout. Again, very simple. I am not a layout person. And I don't typically do those, but I just thought it would be a really fun addition to this. Just some more photo mats that I've matted, just some little strip matting with scraps. I'm going to tuck those in there. On this side, we've got some flaps that open up and down. On the front of both of these, we have stacked pockets, and again, with just the photo mats. These are going to fold up and down. And you've got a half-page flap, top and bottom, and these do mirror each other. So, and then we've got a 4x6 waterfall that's going landscape down here, with a little band with a magnet to hold that shut. And then we've got a pocket back behind here, and I've got another one of my 8x8 layouts in there. Okay, so then these fold in on here and over here. And then there is a magnet back in there that holds all of that closed. On this side, we've got another waterfall, 4x6. Only this time we're running portrait instead of landscape on this one. And I forgot to mat right there, but that's okay. And then I've got a big flap that opens up here that actually holds a pocket closed. So this little waterfall is on top of another pocket here. That again, I've just got a couple of photo mats with some scraps matted onto those. This flap actually folds out this way. You've got a big place here that you could put a big picture. On this whole little thing lifts off, and then we have what I'm calling a butterfly page because of the way this kind of folds out here, and you've got tons of spots for photos and journaling here, and then as well on the back side of both of those. So that folds down like that. That sits on top of it to hold it closed. And then I've got an expanding pocket in the back here. And I've got another one of my 8x8 layouts tucked back in there. But you can get a ton back in this pocket. So that one closes up that way. This keeps everything in that pocket. And there you have it. There is my Lumberjack Folio. I will be getting the tutorial edited and posted, hopefully in the morning. I'll upload it tonight. It should be posted in the morning. I hope to see some of you make this. I would love to see your takes on it, either with the same paper or with different paper. If you do end up following this tutorial and making this, please share it in the Scrapbookers of Country Craft Creations group. And if you can share it with me on my page, Scrapping Under the Influence, I would really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Bye!